ballast water treatment plant. So our ballast water treatment plant is Irma first, and they just installed during the dry dock. So as you can see, we have the monitor here where we can perform our ballast or deballast. But before we start with this monitor, we try to have an idea which pipe or where the pipe was connected with our old system. So we go through our old system. This is the original Kongsberg system of this ballast. Then this is the plan that they made. So as you can see, we have from seawater. If we want to pump in, we go to valve 23, and then it's going to the ballast pump, and normally we go through this valve and going to the tanks. But since the new system was installed, so we are going from 23 going to this and going to valve 34. So valve 34, as you can see on their plan, is from 23 going to the ballast pump, valve 34, and going to the outboard. But on the outboard, before it's going to the outboard, there's another line connected which is going through the treatment. So there's a line between this valve 34 and the outboard. So in between this, there is another line going through the tanks. So before you start anything, ballast or deballast, you have to call engine room to inform them what you're going to perform. For example, now I want to make deballast. So I called chief engineer. He prepared the system for deballast. So now before you start opening the valves, you have to choose the module that you like to perform. So we will go to the system, which is here, and you just go to the ballast panel because we want to make the ballast. Yes, you can see all is still red. It means this is still closed. So go to operation mode, and this will pop up, and you can see you can choose ballast or deballast. So you choose deballast, and then choose which outboard you are going to use. So there are several lines that you can choose. So for now, I will use the starboard. So the starboard, which is this one. Remember this, 46 is the ballast for starboard. So this one on the outboard, this is 46. So coming from these tanks, you can pass through here to valve 26 and then pump, and then going directly to the outboard, because this is what I told chief engineer to prepare. So if you're using another tank, you like to pump 2 tanks, it's okay. You open here and go through valve 25. So there will be 2 valves going to the pump and to the outboard. So now we prepare. We will choose 46. So 46 is in the upper part level. This. So you just press. See, there is the highlight 46 valve. You can use pump 1 or 2. Then you have to enter. When you enter, you better close from this mode, and you can see already it's getting green. just wait for a few minutes because the system will try to run everything before opening and starting the valve. So once you already open this one, you will start opening the valve from here, which tank you are going to make. So here you will, example, I want to make this double bottom. You just open and wait. Remember, if you will make mistake on opening the valves, critical alarm will sound and you have to switch off everything and restart. Because when there is critical alarm, the system must be stopped to reset everything, or else you cannot do it. You cannot perform the ballast or the balance. So you see, I opened two valves here, and then you're going through the line here, 25, and also this will go to 26. Open and wait until it's green. Then you can also open this 33 when it's green. 33. So when you open the tanks, the valves on the tanks, it will register on the system in the ballast water treatment. So you see number 33 is also open. On the top level, you can see there is a control. So you can check from here. See, there is the communication. The bulbs. So the bulbs are there. You see it open 25, 26 and 36. So it is registered. Okay, so you cannot just open any valve because it will make alarm, critical alarm with bypass as description. So once it's already open, you can start as normal. Start. So once you start, you have normally take the time and position later with the third mate officer or second officer. Okay, as you can see, it's already started. The pump is started and the system is running. So later on you will see this will give some details of the ppm, how much it is discharging, and we will see. We will continue later.